Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a radius on Google Maps. Sometimes it's useful to visualize a specific radius around a point on the map, whether you're looking for service areas, potential customer locations, or areas of interest. Google My Maps allows you to draw a custom radius to fit your needs. And here's how to easily draw a radius around any location on Google Maps. In this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. The first step is to open Google My Maps, and to do that just go to Google My Maps, search for it in the search bar, maps radius. You can also use various, as you can see here, this is a tutorial for how to draw a radius map. You can also use third-party program, etc. like Zio. Now we're just gonna try to do it on Google My Maps. Now after you go to Google My Maps, make sure you create a new map. For example, I'm gonna create a new one here. As you can see, you can use this tool to measure the radius of a map, of a circle. For example, if you draw a circle around this point, you can use this ruler icon to draw the circle, to calculate the radius. Now add a marker for the center point and click the marker icon to place a marker on the map at the center of your desired radius. The third step is to draw the radius, and use the draw line option and select the add a circle tool from the drop down and click on the center point and drag outward to create the desired radius. As for the fourth step is to customize the radius. You can change its color, you can change its transparency and its width to match your needs. You can also add label or description to the circle for extra details. You can use the measurement tool, you can use the distance tool in My Maps to ensure the circle's exact radius, and you can adjust the circle by resisting it by dragging the edges. And this was it for today's tutorial. Drawing a radius on Google Maps is a great way to visually represent specific areas around a point. By using Google My Maps, you can easily create and customize radius for various applications such as market research, service areas, or geographical studies. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.